Hey all, quick screencast on how to make a recurring calendar event with your Zoom class link in it. Alright, so I'm going to do it for my first hour LH journalism class, 8:50 to 9:35. I have my homepage set up here in Canvas where they can drop onto. I made a page and set it as my homepage to let people know what's going on all week. Alright, next step would be to log into Zoom, download the Chrome extension for your calendar, then restart. So download Chrome extension, install, restart. Then you can head over to Google Calendar. I'm going to go to Wednesday the 9th, my first day of LH journalism, first hour. It is from 8:50 to 9:35. So I'm going to go add time, 8:50 a.m. to 9:35. And then I'm going to go to more options. On more options here, I can also add guests when I know my roster. I can invite my students to there, but I'm going to make it a Zoom meeting here. Alright, there, now I got my Zoom link. I can copy that and add it over. I can give myself notifications. I'm going to change this to the LH Journalism calendar. So I have it on my class calendar there. We have all our other Zoom information too there if you want to put it in. Alright, I'm going to hit, recurring event. I'm going to do custom. I'm going to repeat this on Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and Mondays. I'm going to end this never. Hopefully this will end at some point, and it's going to repeat every week. Done, done, done. Alright, now I have LH Journalism Wednesday, Friday, Monday, and you can see on Tuesdays and Thursdays I have my afternoon class in there for journalism as well. Alright, good luck everybody.